This is what representation looks like. This is what visibility looks like. It looks like a juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, doing what needs to be done, unbothered Igbo gay man. Some of these people who keep saying to me that God did not create Adam and Eve and Eve. Homosexuality is a natural variation of human sexuality. Being gay is not a sin. Some of you who preach about the Bible, Christianity, religion, and a lot of these things just want to control other people. And once someone is not conforming or is not living their life the way you want them to live their life, all of a sudden that person is a sinner. That person is not loved by God. Yada, yada, yada. A lot of you who are morally righteous and think that you are better than every other person on the face of the earth forget to preach about love, about forgiveness, about kindness, about support, compassion, and a lot of these things. As someone who grew up in Nigeria who is gay, and I am proud of who I am not hiding. I'm not trying to get married to anybody's daughter. I'm not going to stop saying that I'm gay. As someone who is this way, you will never, ever, ever control me, because it is about control. That's never going to happen. I never had representation growing up. I never had anybody that I can say, oh, this is this person that is living this life and is saying to me that it is okay for me to be who I am. A lot of you want gay people, queer people, LGBTQIA plus individuals to be ashamed of who they are, to not live their life unapologetically, to always feel sorry for themselves, cry, and regret that God created them the way they are. My dear, that is never going to happen. I am never going to be sorry for myself. I am never going to be ashamed of who I am. I am never going to regret that God created me like this. I was born gay. I came out of my mother's womb this way, fabulous, amazing, unique, smart, intelligent, doing what needs to be done. This is what representation looks like. This is what visibility looks like. Homosexuality has always been in Africa. My ancestors had gay people before I was born, before a lot of you were born. Homosexuality is not a sin. It has always been in our communities. I will continue to be a homosexual until the rest of my days. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.